Today we're out hunting rare Pokemon cards. We found some last week. Let's see if we can do it again. Alright, let's see what this Target has to offer here. And, well, that's interesting. A ton of Shrouded Fable 10s. You're going to get 2 packs of Shrouded Fable in each of these bad boys. You got your Okidogi, Monkey Dory, and every other kind of rhyming ape or dog you can imagine is inside of there. We have these knockout collections. It's going to be more modern sets and probably nothing of too great a value. You have the Slow King there, promo card. Over here we have our Palafin. What do we got? Temporal Forces. Hey, these are starting to go for a hefty price, $4.99 here for the sleeve booster packs. Some of these very sought after Silver Tempest ETBs from the Black Friday sales, so they're still around. Tins here with probably Paradox Rift, Temporal Forces inside. Galapagos EX. I do love the promos inside of here. I don't have one of these yet, but at $120, you could do better. There's actually quite a bit of the Lorcana in stock. I have not gotten into Lorcana, so I don't really know about it. If you happen to be having trouble having nightmares, this looks like a great item to pick up to make sure you have nightmares every single night. Guys, this week is looking really rough because of Black Friday. I'm not really finding much of anything, but let's head over to another store and see what we can find. All right, we're over at Walmart, and let's see what we have in stock. Hey, we have some Surging Sparks. Would you look at that? Wow, quite a few, actually. So those will be about $50 a pop, which is, you know, the going price for Surging Sparks. Charizard EX still in stock here. And some Scarlet and Violet. I came back to the other Pokemon section because it is popping off in this Walmart. A24. A24. Whoop, somebody got inside of there. Yeah, Walmart is going crazy right now. There's so many people here. I'm here at lunchtime, and it is very busy. What do we got over here? We got an Astral Radiance and a Temporal Forces inside of here? What the? That is a strange find. $11.98? Is that a good deal? This is actually Silver Tempest, not Temporal Forces. These 2 packs together is about $9, so these will be going up in value pretty soon. So check this out. Somebody decided to steal these packs. I think Paldea Evolved packs. Go for something like this if you're gonna do it, you know? Hello, Squirtle. Are you still asleep, buddy? He is. Okay, we have returned to this section of Walmart, and these are still in stock. Are you serious? Grand Adventure Collection's in stock. Shrouded Fables in stock. Some of these tins. Crown Zenith. That's right. Stellar Crown in stock, of course. Shrouded Fable. Nobody wants the poor Shrouded Fable. There are some Paldean Fates as well. Surging Sparks. Triple blister pack. Sleeve packs, and then these things, I don't ever recommend you picking these up. These are straight up junk. Oh, Charmander. What is this? D24. No good. Oh, I didn't talk about this Ursaluna real quick. So, it looks like there's Stellar Crown inside, and I think there's a Scarlet and Violet base set, and a couple Surging Sparks in there as well. Okay, this is pretty cool right here. I remember this Sonic playing from Sonic 2, and it plays the song. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. But where's Tails? If you're trying to get into the burrito, they got it in stock. The Burrito Comfort Blanket. Turn yourself into a burrito. Now you can, guys. In case you're wondering, this is what it looks like. It does look like a burrito. And you can be a burrito. Go away. This Grand Adventure Collection's real nice. I just like the look of it. You only get 2 Surging Sparks inside, 1 Obsidian Flame and 1 Stellar Crown, so it's not really the best value for your dollar if you're looking to get more Surging Sparks. We're going to go to another store. I can't go out like this. We need a win this week. This is the old reliable Target, and let me tell you, it is in a rough shape right now. We have these Paldea tin packs for $50. Not a good deal here, but a fun little pack. I expect those to probably be gone because it'll look nice under the Christmas tree, you know. You have your Mass Boss Stiff here. Paradox Rift, Scarlet and Violet. Looks like another Paradox Rift in here. Not really something worth grabbing. Same rule with the Ogerpon. You have some Surging Sparks in here, but not really a good bang for your buck. There's Stellar Crown in there as well. Why are these still around? Someone please come take them. This Electrode V, I remember back when there were 20 of these guys sitting here, and here we are. We're down to the last one. Interesting to see a Twilight Masquerade just randomly laying here. Those are really starting to go up in price. A24 and or I guess D24. Hey, they have your poster in stock if you were looking for it. I found this is the one that you like. And this is the poster that I like. Yeah, Venom. Okay, but this poster is actually pretty cool. Oh, and they have the music that you like. It's in stock too, so you can come pick that up. Whoa, look at this giant EV, $50. This thing's crazy. I'm surprised this is in stock. Got a little Pikachu bag. Ain't that cute? These Gengar hats are cool too. Wow, this is over in the electronics. I don't normally come over here, but yeah, they have some cool stuff. Look at this. I can't believe they have all of these in stock. Whoa, I think I saw this at GameStop once. That's pretty cool. Big boy himself, Snorlax. Got your Jigglypuff. Oh my god, this thing's huge. Meow, 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 meow. Front section of this Target is also pretty barren. Look at this. Well, we have your the premium collection Charizard. I haven't actually seen these in stores for a little while. I think they got sold out during maybe Black Friday, but yeah, this is the most empty I've seen at Target, and that's probably because it's after Black Friday. All right, what do we have? Whoa, check it out. They have a full stack of 151 tins. Insane. There are so many Pokeballs here that I'm gonna have to like move up. D24, A24, D24, A24. I'm gonna have to actually speed this up because there was literally so many. This must have just been restocked. D24, D24, D. Oh my, no, they're all D and A24s. What are these? I don't like the look of that. I'm not even gonna mess with that. You have your Paldean Fates in stock. Oh, Surging Spark sleeve boosters. Your 3-pack of boosters here. You have your Paradox Rift and your Temporal Forces again. Oh, Surging Sparks. Hey, that's not a bad deal there for the booster bundle, if you're looking for that. Bruh. What in the... Look at how many are in stock, dude. What? I've never seen this before. Oh my god. Okay, let's check out these Pokeballs. Are we going to see the same? We are. It's all A's and D's. You have some knockout collections. This blister pack, Silver Tempest and Astral Radiance, those have seemed to start showing up in Walmarts recently. Pikachu, can you believe what we found? No, I'm talking to you. Can you believe that we found 151 in the wild? Isn't that wild? There's our haul, guys. We got the Alakazam EX. So cool, so cool. Now I can actually open one, because that's literally the second one I've ever found in the wild out of many months I've been doing this for. And then, of course, you gotta, if you see the whole tin collection, you gotta get it. This is a little dinged up, which I'm a little sad about, but it'll look awesome on my shelf. People are saying this is Vivid Voltage and Astral Radiance. Not for me today. That's interesting. A 3-pack of Paradox Rift for $16. It's kind of crazy. Guys, it is freezing outside. I am just so glad to have found 151 actually in the wild. So a big win here. Let's take them home and check them out. All right, we're back home, and I will show you why I was excited about the Alakazam. So this Alakazam that I have, you might be able to see this. Yeah, look at all the damage here. So I found this at a Target a while back, and it was completely messed up. That is your comparison to the new one that I got. Look at the color difference. The left one is way more white. Something happened. This one has trauma associated with it, I believe. And then there's an example of the back. Let me show you that one, those 151 tins as well. So every 151 tin collection looks like this. And I absolutely love the tin collection. I think it might be my favorite 151 product. And just tin collections in general, I just like the way they look. You have your Dragonite, you have your Alakazam, you have your Electabuzz, you have your Scyther, your Arcanine, you have your Meowth, your Machamp, Slowpoke, Magnemite. Saving the best for last, you have your Gengar and your Poliwhirl. I think Poliwhirl. It's not Wrath or Poly, whatever the other one is. I forget. But there you go. There's the tin collection. Are you going for 151? Or are you going for Paldean Fates? Maybe Twilight Masquerade, Surging Sparks? Let me know down in the comments. If you had a good time watching the video, give me a thumbs up. subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you in the next video.